involved in plowing that you have to really pay attention to?
You have to pay attention to
Up here, you got a guy walking in the
soft
lane.
shoulders. You have to pay attention to telephone poles. We look for footprints. People walking. You'll find them walking in the middle of the night.
Never even thought of that, right?
So you look for footprints. You're gonna watch people darting out because they're spinning in their driveways. Mailboxes. Try not to hit those.
68, back at it.
Bridges are narrower.
Some of them too have like that raised plow sign on them or something. What does that just mean, because of an expansion joint or something, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're pretty good with the joints. They don't bother us too much.
Okay.
Once in a while, you'll have them sticking up.
And you have all sorts of controls in here
All
to
kinds.
do what you need to do.
All kinds. This is all your electrical, wipers, safety lights, night lights, plow lights. Pretty much all that's electrical. Heater, this is all your plow, your sander, all computer.
All computer controlled?
Yeah, the sander is.
Oh, right. Okay.
Tells you how many pounds you're putting out per mile. You can switch it, change it. How many miles per hour we're going.
Has the technology really changed a lot in all the years you've been driving?
Oh yes.
Yeah. What would you say is the biggest improvement?
Definitely the sanders. The technology is very nice. The plows, newer plows, the trucks, more comfortable. More visibility.
Really? Okay. And it looks like the front windshields have built-in defrosting
Yes.
wires here too. Okay. Should do that on regular vehicles.
Yeah. It's like a snow fighter package, they call it. The windshield.
Okay.
Okay, that was the end of our run.
Okay. Now we're in the Village of Liberty.
Turn around.
Okay.